Is Panasonic TV a smart TV? Let's find out. Yes, many modern Panasonic TVs are smart TVs, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. They run on Panasonic's proprietary smart platform called My Home Screen, which provides a simple and user-friendly interface for streaming content and browsing apps. While My Home Screen is functional and easy to navigate, it is more basic compared to platforms like Android TV or Samsung's Tizen OS. It may not have the same app variety or advanced features, but it gets the job done for everyday use. Some higher-end Panasonic models also include voice control and screen sharing for added convenience. If you're looking for a reliable smart TV with decent picture quality and straightforward functionality, Panasonic is a good option. However, if you prioritize a feature-rich smart platform, you might want to explore other brands. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.